the specifics of this data's amazing journey to discover how the internet functions. Your video is kept in a data center that may be thousands of miles away from you. How does this information go to your laptop or mobile device? Using satellites would be a simple approach to accomplish this goal. An antenna in the data center might transmit a signal to the satellite, which might subsequently transmit a signal to your mobile phone through a nearby antenna. However, it is not a good idea to transfer signals in this manner. See why. Nearly 22,000 miles above the equator, the satellite is stationed. Consequently, for the data transmission to be successful, the entire distance that the data would have to travel is 44,000 miles. Receiving the signal takes a long time because of the distance it must travel. If this video does not reach you through a satellite, then it will not work for you, since it creates extremely high latency, which is undesirable for the majority of internet apps. How exactly does it get to you? Well, a convoluted system is used to accomplish that. Optical fiber cable network which connect your device to the data center. The internet might be accessed on your phone by cellular data or any Wi-Fi routers. However, eventually your phone will be connected to this fiber optics cable network or data center. We noted at the outset that the movie you are seeing now inside a data center is kept. It is kept in a solid state device within the data center. To be more precise, a server's internal memory is represented by this SSD. Simply described, the server is a sophisticated computer whose responsibility it is to deliver the video or other saved materials upon your request. How to transfer the stored data is now the challenge, specifically from the data center to your device over the sophisticated fiber optics cable network. Let's look at the procedure. Before continuing, we should first comprehend a crucial idea. This refers to the idea behind an IP address. Each and every internet connected gadget, any device, whether it be a server, computer or mobile phone, is uniquely recognized. An array of numbers known as an IP address. You might think of your IP address as being comparable to your house address, which serves as a means of uniquely identifying your residence. Your home address ensures that any correspondence sent to you reaches you precisely. An IP address serves the same purpose as a shipping address on the internet, which all information passes to get where it's going. The IP address of your device will be chosen by your internet service provider, and you can view what your laptop or mobile device has an IP address that comes from your ISP. The data center server has an IP address as well. By knowing the server's IP address, you can visit any web page that the server stores on it. A person finds it challenging to remember so many IP addresses, though. Therefore, to address this issue, domain names there are websites like Facebook, YouTube and others that employ IP addresses which, as opposed to the lengthy string of numbers, are simpler for us to recall. An additional point to note is that a server has the capacity to store several websites. Additionally, all of the websites on a server that hosts several websites cannot be accessed by using the IP addresses of the server. Whenever this occurs, more parts of host headers are used as information to specifically identify the website. However, the entire data center infrastructure will be devoted to the storage of this specific website. For large websites like facebook.com or youtube.com, instead than using complicated IP address number to access the internet, we always utilize domain names. Where does the internet receives the IP addresses that match the domain names we request? The internet, however, uses a massive phone book called as DNS, domain name system, for this function. If you are aware of a person's name but not their phone number, it's easily searchable. In a phone book, the DNS server offers the internet the same service. The DNS server can be controlled by other companies or your internet service provider.